Let's shift our focus to architectural innovation. I would like to invite architect Sobia Munawar, Head of Marketing at Alferos Private Limited, to guide us through harnessing AI to innovate real estate creative journey. Let's welcome her to the stage.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm architect turned marketer. So I'm going to अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को हमने सुना different capacities में AI को किस तरीके से अपने वर्क फ्लोज में वो यूज़ कर रहे हैं, इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं. सो मेरे लिए जो मेजर चैलेंज था वो ये था कि how the collaterals, branding boards, B-rolls, Instagram roll, So ये भी एक अलग दुनिया है. And AI is disruptive, it is definitely a game changer, and it is a catalyst for progressive kind of visuals. और उसामा ने बोला भी कि AI की एक लेयर है और एक तरीके से आपके फ़ोन्स में AI आ चुका है. आप विजुअल्स के थ्रू बहुत सारी चीज़ों को इमेजिन कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स द सेम. सो AI की दुनिया को थोड़ा डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से हम देखते हैं, हाउ इट enhances the creative workflows and through architects, designers, creative people, marketeers, brand managers. So okay. So yeah, it's a common misconception. AI is like, take the jobs, AI think like humans, AI is dangerous, this will take over. So I must say it's a tool, like the computer and the calculators. Never before we were using that, and now we are very quickly, easily, came out of that scenario कि अच्छा जी calculator इतना कोई disruptive नहीं है. So ये आपका part and parcel आपकी life का बन जाएगा. And there is no replacement of human imagination. So a mind, if I can tell you, you sketch a high rise, you probably sketch it different, I sketch it different, somebody sketches different. But at the same time, the kind of the imagination you put up to AI, it is something, each and every time it is producing multiple results, multiple visuals and multiple. So there is no replacement of human mind and human imagination. So AI is fast, it's scalable, it's very personalized, it's adaptable, and it is your partner. It's a co-creator, it's your friend. We have to accept that. So, okay, in my usually workflows, when I'm talking about the visuals, when I'm talking about the branding boards, when I'm talking about the vision boards, so most important, you need to talk to the machine. You need to know the art of prompting, the way how the machine is, corresponds you, how it's actually telling you. And I think my machine now knows me, because when it's been like 1.5 years I'm using prompting and everything. So your machine knows you, that how you write, how you think, how you imagine, and same kind of a development, it actually shows in your prompt as well. So if I can say, somebody is write a very simple prompt, luxury living design with furniture, spacious room, has ultra realistic, high ceilings and expansive windows with beach views. It's a very simple prompt, no grammar, no nothing. You just put up your thoughts and you put it up. So this is the images that AI can produce. It's not relevant. Might be I thought of, but if I wanted to represent my brand, if I wanted to have that vision in my mind, so I write the prompt in a bit kind of a detailed level. And there is a generative workflow that you write a prompt, because art of prompting is an entire new world, and in which you can have that particular angles needs to be defined. If you see this prompt, I've tell the AI to have the space, the perspective, the texture, the intricate details, the lighting, and there are some technical tools that you need to integrate with your prompts, like stylization, aspect ratios, and style references, and that make the prompt is so enriching that it will give you the entire quick results the way you are thinking of. So After this prompt, I'll got this. And what exactly I've imagined, can you see the pictures? These are HD 4K quality pictures. You will see the texture, you see the visuals, you see the cleanliness, see the glazing, and everything is so, and the same prompt, and it's just the matter I can visualize, and I put it into a great thought in it. So how these prompting is going to be personalized and is going to be very adaptable according to your thoughts. So there are different style references. Because I've started, initially with AI platforms जो कि free में थे, जैसे Meta का हो गया, बहुत सारे Leonardo AI, Perplexity AI, बहुत सारे open forums में आप visuals create कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना? So आपको वो बहुत ज़्यादा personalization नहीं देता. कुछ AI platforms हैं जो कि obviously आपके एक certain credits के बाद वो dissolve हो जाते हैं और फिर आपको credits को अपग्रेड करना पड़ता है. सो वो पेड जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उनको अगर आप एक्वायर करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सबका अपना अपना डोमेन है. इफ आई एम इन थिंकिंग अबाउट ब्रांडिंग एंड मार्केटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई हैव टू put up the ads and the DVCs and the TVCs. So I have to personalize the prompting and I have to personalize my images according to my brands. So there are different style references that you can use. If I can say I am making a TVC or a DVC, a digital video, so I have to have that consistent images as well. See, the entire project, if you, sorry, okay. Yeah, so in terms of exterior and interiors, so you can feel that if I'm talking about some exterior shot, the relevant images of interior is corresponding that. So the kind of a visual. So if I can say Mughal fort and these kind of Islamic architecture, it will not give you this result. So the art of prompting is in another new world that you need to invest your time to develop that actually flow of that, entire learning to train the machine how to put up those kind of visuals. This is one of the, so there are many times, when I work with the brand ad agencies, I'm working with media production houses, and I'm working with architects. And most of the time we are putting up the requirements and we are putting up mood boards. And what we're searching and Pinterest and gathering the images and throw them up. So I think at that particular sort, my brand idea, my brand image is very much in line. How my brand think, what are my brand colors, what I wanted to achieve, minimalistic and very, less is more kind of a feel, so that I can actually train my model accordingly, and I have that requirement to present. Because आप ad agencies के साथ बैठे हैं, आप media production houses के साथ बैठे हैं, तो हम उनको reference videos दिखाते हैं, हम उनको reference images दिखाते हैं कि हमें ऐसा चाहिए और जी ऐसा चाहिए, So I think you are lot in control if you have in-house brand teams, if you have in-house creative teams and designers with you, you can get that done. Sales pitch, marketing pitches, all you can do through AI very easily. There are multiple, can you please? There are multiple pitch decks and mood boards I have created over the period of time, in which you can see the consistency of the images, you have seen the colors and the tonal grounds, how you can have different collaterals designed accordingly for brochures, for Instagram reels, for LinkedIn, for all social media content as well. So moving onwards, this is when you are personalizing something, you have to create a lot of, because now the brands like Nike and the Coca-Cola and Levi's, they are having, because since it's a architecture and build and design kind of so I have not catered a lot of product mood boards, but at the same time, we need to do some character references as well. You know, you can train your model. This is a prompting model that I've given the prompt and I have developed my models and I, changed the backgrounds, I've changed the environments, I have changed the clothes. So I can now generate into videos as well. So there is a, kind of a very vast room that text to image to image, video to video, prompt to video, you can have entire, big landscape to generate your films, your DVCs, your TVCs, like that. And then I've put up into the frame. If you can just click the video, please. The same, the other one as well. Move the same character into the different environments and you can compile the entire compilation. And how you have 2D sketches, because when I'm presenting, most of the time there are a lot of good sketches and I have wanted to tell the, presentation board or the entire, that how it can have that motion, how it's gonna look like. Can you please click the video, please? This is 4 images I have generated and it quickly, frame by frame, it get an idea and convert into the videos. Okay, so most of the time that what I have faced that कि आप submission drawings ही करा रहे होते हैं and it happens with you that the facade coverings and the facades, you need to change that, एक ही building है उसका 3D है जी उसमें 36 hours का रेंडर लगेगा, उस पे 48 hours का रेंडर लगेगा and these kind of annoyance कि नहीं अब तो 4 दिन के बाद आपको ये compilation मिलेगी. So you can test and trial and this is for the people who are heading the teams. You can test and try different facade coverings, just in minutes and click. So I am through this platform launching the first AI real estate video that's going to show, it's a 50 seconds video that I've made by myself and I want you to play that. Click.
From dawn to sunset. From arrival to never wanting to leave. From unmatched luxuries to world-class amenities. From breathtaking ocean views to seamless modern living. From exclusive spaces to unforgettable experiences. Welcome to the Broad Beach Residences, where life feels like a never-ending vacation.
Thank you. So entire compilation is, you can see that, back to the presentation, all the visuals are very consistent and it feels like that you are talking about one project. It's not the mix of the shots. So this is my storyboard and the vision board. And this will give you the HD 4K quality videos if definitely going to take the paid versions out of it. And, kind of B-rolls, kind of Instagram reels. You just click the video. So you can, so you gather the images, you convert into a DVC, and there are multiple shots because real estate में होता क्या है कि आपके पास project high rise अगर है और उसका कोई 3 साल 4 साल का delivery timeline है, as a marketer I need lot of content. And each and every time I would want the fresh content and fresh kind of images. So and most of the time I'm calling the photographer and, to change the images, to do some new ideas. So I think it's very handy. It's better that we should, inline all the brand managers and the marketers and architects to, in-house develop these kind of models and to support the businesses. And especially कल मुझसे बात हुई बहुत सारे real estate agents जो हैं ख़वातीन जो यहाँ पे मौजूद थी और उनका आप देखिए they are like influencers, and most of the time they are pitching MR and the HMR and multiple projects, and each and every time unke agar aap post dekh rahe hote hain to they were like cross link the same. This is not a fresh content we are seeing it. So I think this is a great move that we can do it through AI. You just click the, so these are just small shots I convert into the B-rolls easily. So what, because बहुत दफ़ा बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि कितना amount लगता है और कैसे, because when I started I was using the free softwares and I 5-6 महीने तो मैंने बहुत सारे apps पे और AI platforms पे अपना हाथ सीधा किया and after that जब मेरे सारे credits diffuse हो गए and I thought कि नहीं, अगर मुझे professionally इसको आगे लेके जाना है और branding, so what I should do it. So I've started, so मैं credits ज़रूर दूंगी क्योंकि ज़रूरी होता है कि आप and I'm like, I have a community on LinkedIn. Globally, there are a lot of people, you know, doing a really great job through filmmaking and DVCs and visuals and ads and campaigns, you know. So if you can see them, so obviously professional, अगर आप कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको थोड़ी सी investment ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. So credits मैं दूंगी. Images मैंने Midjourney से drive किए हैं और Midjourney is paid. Video Kling.ai, in fact जो song था वो भी मैंने AI से generate किया है, and 11 Labs is for voiceovers and CapCut for editing. So end to end मुझे 2.5 hours लगे इस वीडियो को बनाने में, and total investment is 75,000. and you know, but ये तो एक वीडियो की नहीं है, मैं तो एयर लॉन्ग सब्सक्रिप्शन को जो है वो यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. सो यू नो, अगर आप उस एस्पेक्ट से देखें, सो इफ़ द कंपनीज, इफ़ द CEOs आर लाइक सिटिंग, इफ़ दे आर हैविंग मार्केटिंग टीम्स, दे हैव डिज़ाइनर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स in their teams, I think you should get yourself registered. You should get yourself, because I am in collaboration with PropTech announcing this course next year in January, and I would want जितना भी आपका creative process real estate का है वो AI के through just sitting on your laptop, and it easily can be done. Thank you जी, thank you. Okay, I want to show the last video by Coca-Cola जो recently काफ़ी viral कर रही है. And this is all AI based. It's a very short clip. इसी तरीके से आप नाइकी का देखेंगे, इसी तरीके से आप जो है लेवाइस का देखेंगे. So it's like you know, the big companies, the big giants, they are now converting their visual entire creative flows into AI. So मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि ad agencies जो है वो अपना काम नहीं करना छोड़ देंगी, या production houses, but you know, for the marketeers and for the quick mood boards and vision boards, it's really helpful. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Noreen.
Yeah, no.
Very nice presentation, क्योंकि मैं पीछे थी लेकिन I was listening to whatever you were saying, because ज़ाहिर है construction industry में on and off, I being part of the as business development consultant, तो मेरा turn की solution होता है. I mean from HVAC से लेके आपका बेचने तक, क्योंकि इस्लामाबाद और रावलपिंडी के अंदर ना there is a मार्चा का कॉन्सेप्ट है, यू नो, समथिंग कैश एंड सम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इन्वेंट्री. यहाँ कराची में इस तरह से बहुत कम मैंने देखा है, बट वहाँ पे दिस इज़ द थिंग. तो दैट्स वाई हमें इसमें भी एंटर होना पड़ता है कि हाउ डू वी सेल इट, सो हाउ टू डू इट. आपने वीडियोस बहुत अच्छी बनाई, और सबसे खूबसूरत बात वाला आई वाज स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड कि आपने कहा कि क्रिएटिविटी के हवाले से आपने बात किया, जो मैंने तो कुछ लम्हे पहले क्वेश्चन किया था. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन, एंड ब्रिलियंट वर्क. बस इसमें एक चीज़,
प्लीज
बिकॉज ज़ाहिर है वो पिक्चर्स जो आपने वीडियो भी बनाया, बिकॉज मैं आई हैव टू कीप एन आई ऑन एवरीथिंग. सो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ती भी हूँ और बहुत ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पे आई कीप ऑन ट्रैक, क्योंकि मेरा काम ही यही है. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गेट पेड फॉर. सो इसके अंदर 2-3 ऐसी पिक्चर्स थी जो कि एक आपने जिन प्रोडक्ट का नाम लिया ना, तो उनके एक प्रोडक्ट में वो क्लिप्स चली हुई हैं. वो जो आपने वीडियो बनाई है ना, उसमें 2 तस्वीरें हैं. एक वो जो लड़की सोई भी है,
जी,
वो वाली पिक्चर, आई शो यू दैट वीडियो. तो उसमें वो है.
अच्छा नौरीन, why I'm
अच्छा, I'm just sharing
yeah,
because मैंने
that's
देखा
great.
है.
That's great.
अब
आपने
there
share
was a
किया है, but
product,
I'll have
हाँ,
yeah.
because you know it's important to keep an eye on the
Yeah,
market.
yeah.
So हम बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं पढ़ने की क्या जरूरत है. It's all nonsense. I don't agree to this because first word which our religion gave was read, read, and read.
Yeah, yeah.
And whoever is successful today is because they have read, read, and read.
Yeah.
If anybody disagrees to this, तो please do point out. पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है और विजिलेंट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब एक प्रोडक्ट मुझे इस्लामाबाद में देयर इज़ अ क्लाइंट, उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया, पूरा उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से बनाया हुआ था. तो वन समथिंग वाज फ्रॉम दुबई मॉल, द अदर थिंग वाज फ्रॉम गीगा, द थर्ड थिंग वाज समवेयर एल्स. तो चूंकि मैंने विजिट किया हुआ था
तो
और मुझे मालूम था, क्योंकि मेरे क्लाइंट के लिए यू नीड टू बी एजुकेटेड इनफ, तो मैंने कहा दिस पार्ट इज दिस, दिस पार्ट इज दिस, दिस पार्ट इज दैट. तो वो फिर चुप हो गए थे एंड दैट प्रोडक्ट डिड नॉट गेट ऑपरेटिव. इट वाज जस्ट अ स्कैम. आई एम टॉकिंग 8 साल पुरानी बात है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, ब्रिलियंट जॉब, कीप ऑन.
Thank you, Noreen. But I must say जो vigilant approach आपकी है, जो आपकी close eye है, that I pretty understand. But these, I have 100% surety. Probably you see the similar images, but since it's a one kind of style reference code that I'm using, that's what I'm mentioning. You know, क्योंकि ये images जब generate होती हैं, तो ये images को consistent रहना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, ठीक है. So मैं बार बार prompt नहीं दे सकती. So Midjourney ने एक पूरा stylization codes निकाले, ठीक है. And that stylization code आप fashion में use कर लें, आप real estate में use कर लें, आप architecture, that code is going to present the same kind of a look and feel. So I'm 100%, I really wanted to discuss this after, but these entire video is a thoroughly my generation and I endorse it and copyrighted it. Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Anybody else?
Yes.
Yeah, please, sir.
My name is Anik. I run a project management company. So you covered the creative aspect very
Yes,
well. You know,
yes.
you get vision, you get the ideation, and you're practically there with the presentation that you made, which was lovely. Could you also let us know if there is a practical application towards the construction side of it, towards the, let's say, development of AutoCAD files or Revit files
Yeah, that's
of
great.
this? Because, you know,
Yeah.
it's great to sell the idea, but then we're stuck with creating the actual physical part of it. And
Yeah.
how does this process make it easy? And is that even possible for you to get technical drawings, working drawings,
Yeah.
so you can execute them on site?
Okay, so for that note, Revit, AutoCAD, Photoshop, जैसे अब्बास साहब ने भी initially बताया था, they have now installed the plugins. You know, Photoshop में आपको easily AI plugins मिल जाते हैं. Technical drawings on Revit and on Autodesk. Now they are formulating the AI plugins. You know, you can slightly shift, and I haven't tried yet, but I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube that how you change your technical drawings. You know, I'm talking about the construction drawings. You know, I'm talking about the distances. I'm talking about the entire kind of a layout and the taggings and everything. If अगर आप उसको देखें तो वो plugins आपके change हो जाते हैं, ठीक है ना. आपको AI का एक plugins install करने पड़ते हैं. But to be very honest, on a technical drawings, I haven't explored it yet because I'm more into sales and marketing, you know, so I have that genre to cover. But yes, that's very much. जैसे अभी BIM में आपने बताया था कि BIM के अंदर भी plugins हो गए हैं. So ये plugins ही आपको easily, you know, desired results जितने भी हैं वो आपको achieve करने में help करते हैं. और उसमें भी Photoshop ने तो ये भी किया है कि plugin के साथ आपने इमेज डेवलप की, यू हैव डेवलप द प्लगइन एंड प्लगइन के अंदर प्रॉम्प्टिंग डाल दी है. सो यू कैन ट्वीक द प्रॉम्प्टिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्रॉम्प्ट. सो या वी ऑल आर इन दिस जर्नी, वी आर पेसिंग अप, वी आर लर्निंग. So it's better that PropTech Academy open the forum so that we can cross share. कल हमारी यही बात हो रही थी, mentorship, trainings and learnings, because यहाँ से आपने 3 दिन की conference attend की and then टाटा बाय बाय और नेक्स्ट ईयर मिलेंगे हम सब. सो आई थिंक अगर उस फोरम को एक्टिव किया जाए और उसको उस पर कोलैबोरेशन इज अ डिमांड फॉर टुडे. अकेले मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, सो वी नीड टू कोलैबोरेट एंड वी नीड टू एक्सचेंज आवर थॉट्स अकॉर्डिंगली.
Okay, just to add, wonderful presentation and wonderful to see, as we have spoke in the morning, that how AI is changing your life, not in the construction, but every place, like in the advertisement industry,
Yes.
like in the marketing industry. So, lot of things have been developed. For example, as you have already mentioned, you can create an image, you can create a video by doing a prompt, and your image is already there in few minutes. But I'll tell you, creating is also a needs creativity basically, and by giving a strong prompt is not easy to write.
Yes.
It comes with the experience. So whenever you are using any tool to generate any still images, whether you are editing any video, you need to have a strong comment. And in the marketing business, there are a lot of tools available, and nice to see you're using it and giving insight of your business to this forum as well. So thank you very much.
Thank you,
and
sir.
good presentation.
Thank you, thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Assalamu alaikum.
बहुत ज़बरदस्त आपने जो क्रिएटिव साइड्स ऑफ एआई का किया।
Thank you.
आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट। एज आई सेड, एआई फॉर एवरीवन। एआई जो है वो कवर करना हर इंडस्ट्री के अंदर नहीं है।
बहुत
वन ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट क्रिएटेड अ वीडियो। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर वो एआई से जनरेटेड वीडियो चल जाए टू एड अ वेट टू योर होल टॉक। ठीक है,
In
जिस
the
तरीके
dawn
से
of
आपने किया।
time, humanity crawled, then walked, then conquered the elements. We built fire, forged tools, and stood together in the glow of the first spark of civilization. Then the Industrial Revolution roared, transforming sweat and steel into a new world. A world where human hands made things out of nothing, and workers learned and appreciated that their present in life was very different. Today, the technological revolution is unfolding, faster, bolder, unstoppable, and at its core, artificial intelligence emerges, not as a tool but as a partner, a force reshaping our destiny. In real estate, AI doesn't just connect us to homes, it filters dreams, matches ambitions, and unlocks opportunities. But this isn't tomorrow. This isn't the future. This
very nice. Interesting. Okay, thank you very much.